Hi, Explorer! In this video, we'll talk about why climbing is important for kids. Safety matters. Wear the right gear. That there are different types of mountains, from rocky cliffs to snowy peaks. Each one is an adventure. And we will go around the world and learn facts about famous mountains. Let's start climbing. Before we explore the wonders of mountains, let's discuss how safety always comes first. Here are some important tips. 1. Wear safety gear. Always wear a helmet, sturdy shoes, and gloves if needed. Safety first. 2. Stay with an adult. Never climb alone. Always go with a grown-up or a trained guide. 3. Start small. Begin with little hills or climbing walls before trying something bigger. Climbing plays a crucial role in a child's education and development, offering numerous physical, cognitive, and emotional benefits. Here's why it matters. Climbing isn't just a sport. It's an educational tool that enhances a child's physical abilities, problem-solving skills, resilience, and teamwork. Social skills boosts academic performance. Connects kids with nature, whether it's rock climbing, tree climbing, or indoor climbing walls. Integrating it into a child's learning experience can be transformative. So, what are mountains? Mountains are big, tall pieces of land that rise high above the ground. Around them, they're like nature's skyscrapers. Did you know that mountains are made of millions? For years, they've been shaped by Earth's powerful forces. Amazing, right? First up, fold mountains. These are made when giant pieces of Earth's crust push against each other and crumple up. Imagine squishing a piece of paper. The Himalayas, where Mount Everest is, are fold mountains. Next, we have volcanic mountains. These form when magma, or melted rock, comes out of a volcano and hardens. Mount Fuji in Japan is a volcanic mountain. Cool, huh? And then there are block mountains. These happen when big chunks of Earth's crust are pushed up or down. An example is the Sierra Nevada range in the USA. Finally, dome mountains. These form when magma pushes up under the Earth's crust but doesn't break through. They look like giant bumps. Let me tell you something super cool about Mount Everest. Did you know that it is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest is so high that it reaches 8,849 meters into the sky. Everest is part of the Himalayas, a huge mountain range in Asia. Climbers from all over the world dream of reaching the top. Even though it's tough, Mount Everest teaches us a big lesson. With courage, preparation, and teamwork, you can achieve amazing things. Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Sir Edmund Hillary, New Zealand. One of the first 2 climbers to reach the summit of Mount Everest, 8,849 meters, on May 29, 1953, alongside Tenzing Norgay, a lifelong advocate for Nepalese communities, helping build schools and hospitals in the Himalayas. Mount Kilimanjaro is Africa's highest peak at 5,895 meters. It is located in Tanzania and has permanent glaciers despite its equatorial position. Hans Meyer and Ludwig Purtscheller first summited it on October 6, 1889. Kilimanjaro is unique because it's a non-technical climb, meaning no ropes or climbing gear are needed, just stamina and determination. a huge mountain range in North America that's great for skiing and hiking. Alex Honnold, USA. Known for free solo climbing, meaning he climbs without ropes or safety gear. Became world famous for his free solo ascent of El Capitan, Yosemite, USA, in 2017, featured in the documentary Free Solo. Mount Fuji, Japan's highest peak at 3,776 meters, 12,389 feet, is an iconic active stratovolcano known for its symmetrical shape. The first recorded ascent was by a monk in 663 AD, with the first foreigner, Sir Rutherford Alcock, reaching the summit in 1860. Mountains are more than just pretty to look at. They're a super important one. Biodiversity. Mountains are home to all kinds of animals and plants, like snow leopards, eagles, and colorful wildflowers. 2. Climate regulation. Mountains help keep our planet cool. They even create rain by catching clouds and making them release water. 3. Water sources. Many rivers start in the mountains, providing fresh water to millions of people. 4. Fun and adventure. Mountains are great for skiing, hiking, and exploring. They're also places for learning about nature. Wow, the mountains are pretty amazing, aren't they? They're tall, they're beautiful, and they're super important for our planet. Next time you see a mountain, remember all the incredible things it does. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time on The Big Adventure Show. Bye!